Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I wanted to tell you another reason why I think investing in precious metals is such a great investment. Now please bear with me, I know it's a bit strange to see my toilet on this video, but I just kind of wanted to prove a point. And that point being, when you invest in precious metals, your investment is never going to go to zero. Now, if you was to invest in a different vehicle, let's say whiskey, for example, if you was to accidentally drop the bottle of whiskey, all the whiskey leaks out, straight away your investment has gone to zero. Now, with a silver coin, you could put it on the side and whack it with a hammer 10 times. And yes, you're going to lose a bit of the premium, but the actual metal content is never going to go away. You're still going to have 1 ounce of pure silver, and therefore it's still worth some value. The same as if you buy a stock and the company goes bankrupt, the stock could go to zero. Same as if you buy some crypto and the crypto coin goes to zero. Now, to prove this fact, I've got an American Silver Eagle here, and I'm going to place it in the back of my toilet for 1 year. And after 1 year, I'm going to take the coin out and then I'm going to try and sell it on eBay or the Silver Forum or wherever it may be. And we're going to see how much money we can get for this coin. Now, like I said, the point of this video is to prove that when you invest in precious metals, they're always going to hold some sort of value, whatever you do to them. So we're going to drop it in here now. It'll be interesting in itself just to see what the coin looks like after a year of being submerged in water. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Let me know how you think the coin will look. And like I said, once we get it out in a year's time, we'll put it on the second-hand market and we'll see how much we can get for this coin. And I guarantee you, I will still be able to sell this coin. It won't be worth nothing. And that is another reason why I think precious metal investing is such a safe investment. Yes, they go up and down, but you're always going to have some sort of value in the investment. So as always, thanks very much for watching my videos, and I hope you have a nice day.